Today we are selling an agriturismo 10 apartments, just 10 minutes drive from here. See what they look like. There's a living room with a kitchen, and in this one we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, and every unit is slightly different one from the other. But the most important thing is high ceiling and air conditioning in every single unit. This is in the first part of the agriturismo. Okay, time to go to the new part. This is the newest part. There is a porch, an outside space. Inside we enter the kitchen, living room with air conditioning, high ceiling, and a bedroom right here. That's a big bedroom, and the bathroom right on his side. On the back of the unit, of course, the back garden with barbecue area. Next to the 6 units there is the independent house with his own little veranda and a mezzanine with a bedroom. That's the kitchen right there, dining table, the refrigerator, a TV set in a corner right here, a small recap, 10 separate units, one completely independent, to host people, to start your own agriturismo and change your life